Hey, welcome back. So you already know Master Addons has a theme builder, template kits, and a pop-up builder. But what if you already have a running website and just want to refresh a section or try out a new landing page design? That's where the template library comes in. We regularly add new trending sections here, things like team blocks, headers, footers, and landing page layouts. It's great for A/B testing different designs on your site. Let me show you how easy it is. I'll pick this Teams Sempla section. You can preview each section before import, then just click Import. It handles everything automatically, creating the page, pulling in content, images, and widgets. Just give it a few seconds. And that's it. The section is now saved in your Elementor saved templates and also shows up as a page. Let's navigate to Pages. You can see it right here. Let's preview this section and then edit it with Elementor. You can do all your necessary editing stuff just like Elementor Editor do. Let's move to the dashboard and navigate to the saved templates as well. Open it up and you can customize everything based on your need. Change the text, swap out images, adjust the layout. No need to design a section from scratch. Now, here's a handy tip. You can also trash the section from your pages and keep it only in your Elementor saved templates. From there, you can modify it and reuse it across multiple pages or posts. But what if you just want to import a section into a specific landing page without storing it anywhere else? We've got you covered. Navigate to the page where you want the section. Click the Master Addons icon and go to the Sections tab. Pick the design you like and import it. It drops right into your editor without being stored anywhere else on your site. Now you can customize it right here and publish your new design. And don't forget to preview the changes after you make any customization on your editor, just like I am doing now. Feel free to download Master Addons from the WordPress plugin directory and start building. Thanks for watching.